Good morning, students. So we have done till activity number 4 in the class, correct? Now today we will start with activity number 5. So open your textbook page number 6 and we will both read together activity number 5. Okay. This unit is called exploring symbols. Now what do you mean by a symbol is given over here. A symbol is a word, image or object that represents something else, just as Sun Lion represented Tagore and your pen name represents you. Okay, so a symbol means something that represents another thing. For example, if you see the flag of India, the flag represents the country India. Correct. If your teacher has gone to a fair kind of thing, or if your teachers have taken you to a field visit, your uniform stands for the school. If you are in uniform, it means that you have gone from the school. So uniform is the symbol of school. Just like that, the red color is the symbol of danger. Correct? So many things, it's a word, an image or an object which represents something else. Your pen name, which we did in the first class, pen name means the name with which you would want to write your poem or a story kind of thing, okay? Is also a symbol which represents you. Symbols are very common in poetry and stories. Tagore used them often. Now, when did he use? It's given in the line over here. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Now, here Tagore tells us that reason is a stream. Reason means our ability to reason things, find logic in the things. This is a stream. A stream means a water body like a river. The reason is symbolized as stream. Tagore thinks of reason as if it is a stream. The stream is a symbol for reason. Now in the poem you have to see another lines which uses symbol like this. What is the another line where we see that Tagore uses a symbol in this way? So you have to find such lines from the poem and we will discuss in the next class. Clear? Now next, Tagore wrote India's national anthem and is very much loved. Our national anthem has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. There are many other symbols of India that are also loved by her people. Now our national anthem is our symbol. If anywhere Jana Gana Mana plays, we will understand no, that it's for India. So this is the symbol of India. Now there are many other symbols of India like our national bird. What is our national bird? Peacock. Our national tree. Now this you have to find out which is our national tree. Which is our national game. Is it cricket or hockey? Yes, India's national game is hockey. Hockey खेलते हैं ना? So that is India's national game. Which is our national fruit. So you have to find our national fruit and national tree. Okay, I'll give you a hint. India's national fruit is the fruit which we all eat in summers. We love to eat. Okay, so you find out what is India's national fruit. Now, think about the national emblem or flag. How does the national flag of India look like? What are the colors in it? What does the color stand for? All this you have to write over here. Think about colors or animals that are beloved in India. Any animal which is only found in India, that can also be a symbol of India. Okay. Now in homework you have to write at least 10 symbols of India. 10 things which represent India. Only India, nothing else, okay? You can write the colors of our national flag and what does the color mean. You can write our national fruit, national game, anything that you would want to write, okay? But that should symbolize India. You can also write the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He is also the father of India, correct? So like this, you have to write different symbols of India. And in the homework over here, you have to write your favorite symbol. Which is your favorite symbol and why is it your favorite symbol? This you have to write over here. Clear? So today we are doing only this much. You have to think a lot, okay? Think about the symbols of India and why is one symbol your favorite symbol? And what does the symbol mean? You have to do this in the homework, and those who have not seen all the videos, you have to see the videos and complete the notebook by our next class. Clear? So this is all for today. Thank you. Bye and have a nice day.